Well, today we're looking at another brick kit, and this one again is from Temu, and this is the Mold King Batmobile. It doesn't say Batmobile anywhere on it. It calls it a mini luxury car. Oh, actually it does say Bat Sports Car in the corner. So it's a Bat Sports Car, and this is looks like it's based on the Batmobile from the '89 Batman, which was one of the nicer Batmobiles, I think. You can see, if you've got a translation program, you can see what all the warnings are about. Basically probably just saying that if you're a small child and you eat it, you're gonna die. It gives you the length and width, so it's 21 centimeters long, 6 centimeters high, 8 centimeters wide, so it's not a huge kit. It looks quite nicely detailed. Temu at the moment, you'll see all this sticky, can you see it, sticky horrible residue. Temu at the moment, and AliExpress have started doing it, they put a massive import sticker. I recently bought a couple of little Dune ornithopter kits, and they put the sticker right on the front. It's really annoying. I mean, look, you've got a whole side of the box here, stuff that no one's ever going to read, but no, stuff it on the back. They've also crossed out the QR code, so God knows where that sent you. Probably quite interestingly, I wonder where it did send you. And it just shows you there's flames coming out the back, there's a rudimentary interior, and again, that's a sports car. But let's pop this one open and see what we get. I don't think it's going to be the world's most detailed kit, to be honest. I think it was about £8, something like that, so not a hideous amount. Oh, it's actually, I thought it was one of those that flipped open. Let's see. So it's a Mold King. It says the QR code. Is anyone going to see where that goes? Can you see it? And it caused my camera to fall off. It's a terrible thing. But actually, I'm going to go and see. Let me get my phone. I'm going to see where it takes us. I'll do it off camera just in case it takes us somewhere dodgy. Okay, it takes us to WeChat International. So it takes you to Google Play to download an app. I'd say don't download that app, to be honest. So it's interesting. So the Mold King QR code doesn't take you to Mold King, which is probably why they've scribbled it out. But they didn't scribble it out on the inside. So let's have a look what we got. A little instruction booklet. Ooh, a little, not quite the bat symbol. Bright Expert is a special mark established by Mold King. Is it? Is it be damned? Let's have a look. Yep, standard Lego instructions. When I was a kid in the early 70s, I used to get these books every year. You'd get like they weren't hardcover, they were softcover, and they were from Lego, and they were builders manuals. And it would be because you bought sets of bricks, you didn't buy something to build, you bought like a set of 500 bricks. And it would be a book like this, different pages, building different stuff. It was amazing. I've never seen them since. Never seen them on eBay or anything like that. You don't get any Batman on this, but I've got tons of Lego Batman. So what we're going to do is start building it, and then we'll come back and see what it's like. Okay, well, I've got all the parts out, and you get quite a few bits. 407 plus pieces, it says on the box. Lots and lots of tiny little bricks. So I'm going to start putting it together. Oh yeah, you get a special chassis piece. I think that's again copied off Lego. Right, let's see how this goes together. Okay, so chassis is starting to go together. So almost every brick is black, other than a few grey, red and yellow ones, as you can see. And as usual with these Chinese kits, the numbered bags don't correspond to the instructions at all. So finding the parts is tricky. I've started sorting them out into different bits when I come across them. Is that how you lot build your Lego? Do you sort it out first, or dump it all in one pot, hope for the best? It's going together, but the instructions are also quite difficult, because when you get to like the 5th layer of black bricks on black bricks, it's very difficult to see where they're going. But it's coming along, quite enjoying it. Okay, so I finished it. It was a bit of a tricky build, because it's one of those where the Lego blocks, because they're knockoffs, don't quite stay together as well as Lego, but I think it looks really good. It looks like the Batmobile. It's got some features on it, so the this headrest has gone down. So it's got a cockpit, a very rudimentary cockpit. You could put a Batman figure in there, which I'm sure I've got several kicking about. So the cockpit opens and closes, and also the bonnet opens, and it's got sort of a simulated engine in there, and the jet pit at the front. It's got the machine guns, lots of different bits and bobs on the side, bit of detail. I'm quite pleased with it for the cost. It's staying together okay. This is really fragile at the front. If kids were playing with this, it's going to break. But it rolls along very well. I do have somewhere, I'm not going on me down here, but I do have the Keaton Batmobile Lego somewhere. I think it's bigger than this. But it'd be interesting to compare the two. But yeah, so for £8 on Wish, it's worthwhile. Actually, I think it was Temu, not Wish. I keep calling it Wish, but it's basically Temu. Not as good as the wonderful Jaws model ship that I got from AliExpress, but yeah, it was a good little kit. It was sit on the shelf with the rest of my Batmobiles, even though it's not. It's dodgy bat guy. But yeah, if you want to see more of these knockoff Lego kits, let me know, because there's quite a few I wouldn't mind getting hold of. And I think they're well worth the money. Shipping is pretty light. I think if you spend over a certain amount, it's free shipping, and it's usually about a 7-day turnaround. It's very good. I don't know, Batmobile's driving past Houses of Parliament now, which is strange. But yeah, if you want to see more of these, let me know. Please like and subscribe if you can. It does help the channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Thanks then. Bye.